स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं आप लोग? परमिशन है आपको काम करने के लिए? हाँ, किसने बोला? कौन आर्मी ने? ऑर्डर किधर है? आपका ऑर्डर किधर है? अरे ऑर्डर के बिना आप काम कैसे चालू कर दिया? आयज आम्ही वेलसांव आसा आणि जंगल राज जालेले आसा. आम्ही पळयलेले आसा कोर्ताली फेमस जाला फकत सगळे इलिगलिटीजाक. आता परत साऊथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे RVNL त्याचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर डॉक्युमेंट नासतना जबरदस्ती काम चालू करता. आता पंचायतीन त्यांका स्टॉप वर्क नोटीस काढलेले कित्याक लोकांची एक्सेस ब्लॉक जाता. तरी पासून रेल्वे बायपास करून पंचायतीक काही क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिनासतना काम चालू केला, विच इज मॅन्डेटेड एज पर द इंजिनियरिंग कोड लेड डाऊन बाय द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रेल्वे. आणि आयज जो पळय आमी लँडाचेर उबे आसा तो लँडाची ओनरशीप प्रायव्हेट लोकांकडेन आसा. आणि हो मॅटर इन्स्पेक्टर ऑफ लँड एंड रिकॉर्ड्सान मारगांव कोर्टान पेंडिंग आसा. मॅटर सब ज्युडिस आसा. आणि ओनरशीप पळय आसा तो एज पर द गोवा लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड इट्स डिटरमाइंड बाय 2-3 रिझन्स. एक बाय ग्रांट, दुसरो बाय अफ्रमेंतो और बाय एक्विजिशन बाय द लँड एक्विजिशन ऍक्ट. ते कांय नासतना रेल्वे म्हणटा हो लँड आपणाचो. अरे कितें चल्लां? जंगल राज चल्लां. म्हळ्यार आयज टुडे आय कॅन गो इन टू CM's प्रॉपर्टी अँड बिल्ड अ हाऊस आणि डिपार्टमेंट परमिशन दितले? डिपार्टमेंट ओगी रावतले? कलेक्टर खंय आसा? पुलीस खंय आसा? बरें आयज लोकांनी काम आडयलें, हे पुलिसांक आपयता आणि काम चालू करता. अरे पुलीस राखता कोणाक? चोराक. जो व्हायलेटर आसा तो पुलीस राखता आणि जो पळय इफेक्ट जो पळय मनशाक त्रास जाता तो पुलीस तेका भायर काडटा. म्हणून हे चल्लां कितें? सो दिस इज द हायट्स ऑफ दादागिरी इन कोर्ताली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. रेल्वे पळय आसा हो बापायचो फात कसो कोणाचे घरा भितर वयता, खंय रस्तो बांदता, कितेंय करता. सो हांव मागता गोंयचे CMाक आणि गव्हर्नराक हे जंगल राज पळय कोर्ताली जाला ते हिंगा लक्ष घेवचे. हे जे पळय इलिगल काम RVNL करता, we are going to file a complaint to the police, even to the appeal to the governor that to take action. कित्याक हे this is extremely wrong. कित्याक फंडामेंटल राइट्स आयज विलेजाचे इफेक्ट जाता. सो हे राखपा खातीर हांव गोंयचे CMाक मागता मुखार येवचे आनी जे इलिगल काम चलता ते बंद करचे आणि कायदा भितर कितें आहा ते करचे म्हणून हांव गोंयच्या सरकाराक मागता.
It has been now more than 1.5 years the railways are doing illegal work and they have blocked our access. We have houses. I have my house along this lane and my right of way has been blocked. We have produced our papers into the courts, the land records as well as the district court, and it is more than a year, but no hearing has been done. Nothing has been done, neither whether it has to go in our favor or it has to go in the railways favor. But the railways have not been able to produce a single document, and our right of way has been denied to us. We have our papers intact and we have produced it. And also I would like to say, like, now when any project has been taken, the project, they should be approaching us and they should be at least showing where the drainage is going to be, the waterway. We have our waterways which has been blocked, and also they have not put any demarcation has not been done. They have not acquired the land. So I want to know from the government that we as people, we are human people staying here, not some animals or something that we can just right of way can be blocked.
So my husband has an ancestral house, family home just behind me here. So what happened is on the 23rd of August, there was a fire in the house. No one was in the house when we were alerted by some neighbors. And fortunately, they came and they tried to set the fire off. But in the meantime, when they had called the fire brigade was attempting to come. Unfortunately, because of the railway material which was dumped, there was no access. So the fire brigade had to go back and come via ROC, which took about half an hour. And you know how fire is. So the fire just spread. And there was a lot of damage done. My husband had just done up the roof a few years before that. and the roof got gutted. And this is another matter, but nothing has been done till now. So what is happening is that there's no planned work. One thing the government has done is completely illegal. The other thing is, when there's no planning, the neighbors are not informed. The people who are going to be affected are not informed. So, I mean, what is the point? This is like making mockery of people. We are supposed to be a democracy. There's a system in place. All these things should be followed. Now, how do you expect people to keep quiet? I mean, this is not making the rich richer. It's just giving access. This is, elementary, primary things. So, I mean, people shouldn't be quiet. People who are affected cannot be quiet.
म्हाका त्रास जाता कितें आमकां यो वचपा रस्तो बंद जाता न्हू आमकां खंयच्यान रस्तो मेळना आयकलां ताका सांगलें हांव तूं पयलीं आमकां रस्तो क्लियर कर मागीर तुम सुसेगाद घालय हातार आमकां रस्तो ना वयचे आतां ते हातार जबरदस्ती नाण घायले आनी आमी खंयचे वयतले आतां तो म्हणटा त्या वाटेन वच कितें आनी त्या वाटेन गेट पडले आमी थिंगा रावूं पड न्हू आनी खंयचे वचपा आनी खंयच्यान वाट ना आमकां वचपाक.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.